Welcome to the world of high-performance gaming PCs. Today we're diving deep into what makes these machines tick. Picture this, a sleek modern gaming rig sitting on your desk, its lights glowing with anticipation. But have you ever wondered what's really inside that powerful case? In this video we'll peel back the layers, starting with an unboxing montage of some of the most impressive gaming PCs out there. As we open up the case, you'll get a sneak peek at the intricate hardware that powers your favorite games. Get ready to discover how each component works together to deliver those jaw-dropping graphics and lightning fast gameplay. Before we get our hands inside the case, let's take a quick look at the essential tools you'll need. Whether you're a curious gamer or a budding PC builder, having the right tools ensures you can safely explore and upgrade your system. We'll show you the basics: precision screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. These simple items are your ticket to safely navigating the complex world of computer hardware. With our toolkit ready, it's time to open up the PC and begin our journey into the heart of gaming technology. The core of every gaming PC lies the motherboard, the main circuit board that connects all your components. Think of it as the central nervous system, allowing the CPU, RAM, GPU, and storage devices to communicate seamlessly. The motherboard determines what kind of hardware you can use, from the type of processor to the amount of memory. It's packed with slots, ports, and connectors, each serving a specific purpose. By understanding the motherboard's layout, you'll see how every part of your gaming PC works together for maximum performance. Now let's focus on the CPU, or central processing unit. Often called the brain of the computer, the CPU handles all the calculations and instructions that keep your games running smoothly. From managing game logic to controlling AI opponents, the CPU is constantly at work behind the scenes. Modern gaming CPUs are multi-core powerhouses, capable of processing millions of instructions per second. The faster and more efficient your CPU, the better your overall gaming experience will be, especially in demanding titles. Next up is the GPU, or graphics processing unit, the muscle of your gaming PC. The GPU is responsible for rendering all the stunning visuals you see on screen, from detailed environments to realistic character models. High-end GPUs are designed to handle complex graphics calculations at incredible speeds, delivering smooth frame rates and breathtaking effects. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or battling in fast-paced shooters, the GPU ensures your games look and feel amazing. CPU and GPU work hand in hand to deliver a seamless gaming experience. While the CPU handles the game's logic and instructions, the GPU takes care of rendering the visuals. This partnership is crucial for high-performance gaming, as both components must communicate efficiently to avoid bottlenecks. A balanced system ensures that neither the CPU nor the GPU is holding back your gaming potential. Understanding this relationship helps you make smarter choices when upgrading your PC. Let's talk about RAM, or random access memory. Think of RAM as your PC's short-term memory, temporarily storing data that your CPU and GPU need quick access to. The more RAM you have, the more smoothly your games can run, especially when multitasking or playing resource-intensive titles. RAM helps reduce load times and prevent stuttering, making it a key component for any gaming setup. Choosing the right amount and speed of RAM can make a noticeable difference in your gaming experience. When it comes to storage, you have two main options: SSDs, solid-state drives, and HDDs, hard disk drives. SSDs are much faster, allowing your games and system to load in seconds. HDDs, on the other hand, offer more storage space at a lower cost but are slower. Many gaming PCs use a combination of both, with an SSD for the operating system and favorite games, and an HDD for larger files. Choosing the right storage setup can greatly impact your gaming experience. Let's take a closer look at the motherboard's layout. You'll notice various slots and connectors, each designed for a specific component. The CPU socket, RAM slots, PCIe slots for the GPU, and SATA connectors for storage devices are all strategically placed. Understanding where each part fits helps you visualize how data flows through your system. A well-designed motherboard ensures efficient communication and easy upgrades, making it the backbone of your gaming PC. Every gaming PC needs a reliable power supply unit, or PSU. The PSU converts electricity from your wall outlet into the right voltages for your components. It's crucial to choose a PSU with enough wattage to support your hardware, especially if you plan on upgrading your GPU or adding more drives. High-quality PSU also includes safety features to protect your system from power surges and failures, ensuring your gaming PC runs smoothly and safely. Gaming PCs generate a lot of heat, especially during intense gaming sessions. That's where cooling systems come in. Most systems use a combination of fans and heatsinks to keep temperatures in check. Some high-end builds even feature liquid cooling for maximum efficiency. Proper cooling not only protects your hardware but also ensures consistent performance. We'll show you how airflow works inside the case and why it's important to keep your components cool. Design of your PC case plays a big role in airflow and cooling. Modern gaming cases are engineered for optimal ventilation, with strategically placed vents and dust filters. Some cases feature tempered glass panels to showcase your hardware, while others prioritize silence or compactness. Choosing the right case ensures your components stay cool and your system looks great. We'll explore different case designs and how they impact your gaming experience. Expansion slots on the motherboard allow you to add extra hardware, such as additional GPUs, sound cards, or network adapters. These slots, often called PCIe slots, provide flexibility for future upgrades. Whether you want to boost your graphics power or add new features, expansion slots make it possible. Understanding what each slot does helps you plan for future enhancements and keeps your gaming PC adaptable to new technologies. Your gaming PC is equipped with a variety of input and output ports, including USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, and audio jacks. These ports connect your peripherals, monitors, and accessories, making your system versatile and user-friendly. Knowing which ports you have and what they do helps you get the most out of your gaming setup. We'll guide you through the most common ports and their uses, ensuring you're ready for any gaming scenario. Fast and stable internet connection is essential for online gaming. Most gaming PCs include both wired Ethernet and wireless Wi-Fi options. Wired connections offer lower latency and more reliable speeds, while Wi-Fi provides flexibility and convenience. Some motherboards even support the latest Wi-Fi standards for blazing fast wireless performance. We'll explain the pros and cons of each and help you choose the best option for your setup. Great sound can make your gaming experience truly immersive. Gaming PCs often include high-quality onboard audio chips, but you can also upgrade with dedicated sound cards or external DACs for even better performance. Whether you're using headphones or a surround sound system, understanding your audio hardware helps you get the most out of your games. We'll break down the options and show you how to enhance your audio setup. Your gaming PC connects to a wide range of peripherals, from keyboards and mice to VR headsets and game controllers. Each device uses specific ports and drivers to communicate with your system. Ensuring compatibility and proper setup is key to a smooth gaming experience. We'll walk you through the most popular peripherals and how to connect them for optimal performance. BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is the firmware that initializes your hardware when you power on your PC. It checks that all components are working and loads the operating system. Modern systems use UEFI, which offers more features and a user-friendly interface. Updating your BIOS can improve compatibility and performance, but it's important to follow instructions carefully. We'll explain what BIOS does and why it matters for your gaming PC. Your gaming PC needs an operating system, like Windows or Linux, to function. The OS manages hardware resources, runs your games, and provides a user interface. Choosing the right OS can affect compatibility, performance, and available features. Most gamers prefer Windows for its broad support, but Linux is gaining popularity for its customization options. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each and help you decide what's best for your needs. Let's take a closer look at the graphics card itself. Inside, you'll find a powerful GPU chip, dedicated memory VRAM, and a custom cooling solution. The design of the graphics card affects its performance, noise levels, and cooling efficiency. High-end cards feature advanced cooling systems and RGB lighting for extra flair. Understanding the anatomy of your graphics card helps you appreciate the engineering behind those stunning visuals. Not all RAM is created equal. Gaming PCs use DDR4 or DDR5 memory with higher speeds and lower latencies for better performance. The amount of RAM you need depends on your games and multitasking habits. Faster RAM can improve load times and frame rates, especially in memory-intensive titles. We'll explain how to choose the right RAM for your system and what to look for when upgrading. Modern gaming PCs use a variety of storage interfaces, including SATA, NVMe, and M2. NVMe drives offer the fastest speeds, making them ideal for your operating system and favorite games. SATA drives are more affordable and great for bulk storage. Understanding these interfaces helps you optimize your storage setup for speed and capacity. We'll show you how to identify and install different types of drives. Cable management isn't just about looks, it also improves airflow and makes maintenance easier. Organizing your cables with ties and routing them behind the motherboard tray keeps your build clean and efficient. Proper cable management can even help prevent overheating and make future upgrades simpler. We'll share tips and tricks for keeping your gaming PC tidy and functional. RGB lighting has become a hallmark of modern gaming PCs. From subtle accents to full-on light shows, customizable LEDs let you personalize your setup. Many motherboards and components include built-in RGB controls, allowing you to sync colors and effects. While it doesn't impact performance, RGB lighting adds a unique flair to your gaming experience. We'll explore the different ways you can light up your rig. One of the biggest advantages of a gaming PC is the ability to upgrade individual components. Whether you want a faster GPU, more RAM, or additional storage, upgrading keeps your system current and competitive. We'll guide you through the basics of upgrading and what to consider before making changes. With the right upgrades, your gaming PC can stay at the cutting edge for years to come. Even the best gaming PCs can run into issues. Knowing how to troubleshoot common problems like boot failures or overheating can save you time and frustration. We'll cover basic troubleshooting steps such as checking connections, reseating components, and monitoring temperatures. With a little know-how, you can quickly diagnose and fix most issues, keeping your gaming sessions uninterrupted. For enthusiasts, custom cooling solutions offer the ultimate in performance and aesthetics. Water cooling loops, custom reservoirs, and high-end fans can keep even the most powerful systems running cool. While more complex to install, custom cooling can unlock higher overclocks and quieter operation. We'll showcase some impressive custom cooling setups and explain the benefits for serious gamers. Virtual reality gaming demands powerful hardware. A VR-ready PC needs a high-end GPU, plenty of RAM, and fast storage to deliver smooth, immersive experiences. USB and HDMI ports are also essential for connecting VR headsets and sensors. We'll break down the requirements for VR gaming and show you how to prepare your system for the next level of immersion. Overclocking allows you to push your CPU and GPU beyond their factory settings for extra performance. While it can boost frame rates, overclocking also increases heat and power consumption. Proper cooling and a quality power supply are essential for safe overclocking. We'll explain the basics, risks, and rewards, helping you decide if overclocking is right for your gaming PC. Keeping an eye on your system's health is crucial for long-term performance. Monitoring tools track temperatures, fan speeds, and resource usage in real time. Many motherboards include built-in monitoring software, while third-party apps offer even more features. Regular monitoring helps you spot issues early and maintain optimal performance. We'll introduce some popular tools and how to use them effectively. Protecting your data is just as important as high performance. Backup solutions like external drives or cloud storage ensure your game saves and files are safe from hardware failures. Setting up regular backups is easy and can save you from losing hours of progress. We'll show you the best ways to back up your data and keep your gaming memories secure. Modern gaming PCs include a range of security features to protect your system and data. From hardware-based encryption to secure boot options, these features help keep your PC safe from malware and unauthorized access. We'll explain the most important security settings and how to enable them for peace of mind while gaming. Efficient power management helps your gaming PC run cooler and quieter. Features like sleep modes, fan curves, and power-saving settings can extend the life of your components. We'll show you how to optimize your power settings for both performance and efficiency, ensuring your system stays responsive without wasting energy. Quiet gaming PC is more enjoyable, especially during long sessions. Noise reduction techniques include using quieter fans, sound dampening cases, and vibration-absorbing mounts. We'll explore the best ways to minimize noise without sacrificing performance, helping you create a more comfortable gaming environment. Personalizing your gaming PC goes beyond performance. Custom cases, cable sleeves, and themed components let you express your style. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a bold, colorful setup, there are endless ways to make your PC unique. We'll showcase some creative builds and offer tips for customizing your own rig. The right accessories can enhance your gaming experience. Mechanical keyboards, high DPI mice, and large monitors are just the beginning. We'll cover must-have accessories for gamers and how to choose the best options for your play style. With the right gear, you can take your gaming to the next level. Long gaming sessions require a comfortable setup. Ergonomic chairs, adjustable desks, and proper monitor placement can prevent strain and fatigue. We'll share tips for creating a comfortable gaming environment that supports both performance and health. Investing in ergonomics pays off with better focus and longer, more enjoyable sessions. A high-quality monitor can make a huge difference in your gaming experience. Features like high refresh rates, low response times, and adaptive sync technologies ensure smooth, tear-free gameplay. We'll explain what to look for in a gaming monitor and how to choose the best one for your needs. Your keyboard and mouse are your main tools in any game. Mechanical switches, customizable buttons, and ergonomic designs can give you an edge. We'll review the features that matter most and help you find the perfect peripherals for your gaming style. Immersive audio is key for competitive and story-driven games alike. Gaming headsets offer surround sound, noise cancellation, and clear microphones for communication. We'll compare popular options and explain how to choose the right audio gear for your setup. If you want to share your gameplay with the world, streaming hardware is essential. Capture cards, webcams, and microphones help you produce professional quality streams. We'll cover the basics of setting up a streaming station and what hardware you need to get started. Regular maintenance keeps your gaming PC running at its best. Cleaning dust filters, updating drivers, and checking for software updates are all important tasks. We'll share a maintenance checklist to help you keep your system in top shape and avoid common issues. Should you build your own gaming PC or buy a pre-built system? Each option has its pros and cons. Building offers customization and learning opportunities, while buying is faster and often comes with support. We'll weigh the benefits of each to help you make the right choice for your needs and budget. Technology moves fast, but you can future-proof your gaming PC with smart choices. Opt for components with upgrade paths like extra RAM slots or PCIe lanes. Staying informed about new hardware trends helps you plan for future upgrades. We'll offer tips for building a system that stands the test of time. You've explored every corner of a gaming PC, from the motherboard and CPU to the latest accessories and maintenance tips. Understanding each component and how they work together empowers you to get the most out of your system. Whether you're building, upgrading, or just curious, you now have the knowledge to make informed decisions and enjoy high-performance gaming. Thanks for joining us on this journey inside the gaming PC.